Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay everyone, before we start the video, let me introduce myself. My name is Demi Elina. I'm from BBIB. Before we start the video, I want to explain you all about Idul Adha. Yes, Idul Adha is one of the major holidays in the Islamic religion, which is celebrated by Muslims throughout in the world. This day also known as the day of Haji or the day of sacrifice. On this day, Muslims celebrate the sacrifice of the Prophet Ibrahim, who was willing to sacrifice his son Ismail as a form to obedience to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. Okay, my friend, yes, I'm here to explain some of my family's traditions during Idul Adha. Okay, my friend, yes, I'm here not alone, but I am with one of my uncles. Okay, my uncle, I will ask you about what do you think about the family tradition of gathering together during Idul Adha. Yes, before that, please introduce yourself.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dani Hidayat. I am the uncle of the student whose name is Zeni Nafa Erlina. Yes, in my opinion, one of the tradition of Idul Adha, namely gathering in family and eating together, is one of our family tradition during in Idul Adha. Family is important because the strengthens relationship, change either between families and maintains family lines. And secondly,
Hey Michael, I'm agree with your opinion. And the second tradition answer first. And what do you think about the second tradition? Namely the family pilgrimage to the graves of deceased relatives.
yes, my opinion regarding the second tradition, namely grave pilgrimage before Eid al-Adha, is a tradition that is always carried out in our family. In my opinion, grave pilgrimage is to offer prayer to do who is dead and remember to dead. And when we are at the grave, our tradition is not only to pray, but in our tradition in Eid al-Adha, to clean up the rubbish and grass around and grave.
And okay, a good answer. And what do you think about the third family tradition there regarding compensation for all parents and the needs around us?
Okay, and the third tradition of Idul Adha in my family or in our family is providing compensation to our friends or the need around us is a form of character education that in life we must love us other as human or a being.